Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have for you a unboxing of Peiying D190 Dash Cam for cars. So stay tuned. Alright, let's begin with the unboxing. First, look at this nice box. Here is the technical information, functions, motion detection, G sensor. You can take photos, parking monitor, date registration stamps and seamless recording. And the technical data are the display is 3 inches, maximum video resolution is Full HD, 1080p, 12 megapixel photo, 160 wide angle lens. That's okay. Mini USB port, micro SD slot, line battery, and microphone and speakers. That is the number of this model. Okay, let's unbox. So, this box looks very nice, and it has a magnetic clip. Okay, let's open. So, wow. First we can see warranty card and of course user instruction in 1, 2, 3, 4 languages: German, English, Polish and Romanian. Nothing interesting. Alright, let's take a closer. And here we have dashcam itself, packed in some useless stuff. So this is the cam, and here we must have well nothing else. Okay, this goes to side. So here is the accessories box. Okay, let's take a closer look what we here have. Wow, this must be the cable for back wheel or rear wheel camera. Yes, that's right. This is the camera. This is the cable. Okay, what else? And here is the mounting for this rear wheel camera through screws and double-sided tape. Okay, what else? Oh, this is a USB cable for charging on data import. This is the windshield mounting suction cup. Okay, this to side, and charging cable for dash cam. This brings to side. This we don't need this anymore. Okay. Yes, this is the cable. Here is the parameters. Input 12 to 34 watts, output 5 volts, 1000 milliamperes. Well, usual average charging cable. Well, and now take a closer look for this amazing budget, not expensive dashcam from Peiying. This is the display. Here is the for rear view camera port. This is the charging USB port, and this is the button to shoot out and shoot in. Okay, let's make some. Wow, oh nice. Wow, I must say this display is very bright and looks not so bad for this price. Well, so, and where is the menu? Here is a menu. Here we can change the resolution, cycle recording, exposure, and audio, automatic detection, data stamp, gravity sensor, parking guard. What else? Here is the, you can change the resolution. The maximum is Full HD. Apply. Here is another settings like date and time, auto power off or power on, beep sound, and languages. Let's take a close look what for languages we here have. English, German, Portuguese, Polski, Russian language, Romanian language, Lithuanian language, Ukraine. That's all. Well, all over for this money I don't know, I recommend it. It's not so bad, not so cool. Yes, it's not so great like Xiaomi 70Mi or others average and similar products, but for this money, this price is about here in our country about 45 euros or $50, something like this. Well, and here is the slot for micro SD card. 32 gigabytes. Okay. Well, this is what here comes in this self camera, mounting, windshield, charging cable, rear view camera with cables, mount for this rear view camera, and of course cable for data transfer or charging. Well, that's all what we have in this box. Okay, thanks for watching.